Hello Internet. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the fuel filter on a Maruti Suzuki Swift Petrol 2015 model. Changing your fuel filter regularly keeps your engine healthy and improves mileage, so let's get started. In the Swift 2015 petrol model, the fuel filter is located on the right side of the petrol tank, near the rear right wheel. So, first loosen the wheel nuts, then jack up the car safely and remove the rear right wheel to access the filter. Once the wheel is removed, look near the fuel tank area. You'll see a plastic canister connected with fuel pipes on both ends. That's your fuel filter. Wipe the area clean with a dry cloth so no dirt enters the line. Before removing the fuel filter, we need to relieve the pressure inside the fuel line, because petrol systems are pressurized, and if you pull the line directly, fuel can spray out. Here's how to do it safely. First, open the engine bay and locate the fuse box. Inside, find the fuel pump relay, usually labeled as fuel pump or FP. If you're not sure, check your owner's manual for the correct fuse position. Remove the fuel pump relay using a small fuse puller or plier. Now, start the engine and let it run. It will run for a few seconds and then automatically stall, because the fuel supply is cut off. That means the pressure in the fuel line is now released. Now that the fuel pressure is safely released, let's move on to removing the old fuel filter. First, place a clean tray or small container below the filter area. This will catch any residual petrol that may leak out when you disconnect the fuel lines. The fuel filter will have two quick connect fittings or clamps, one for the inlet and one for the outlet. Use a flathead screwdriver or a fuel line release tool to gently open these connectors. Be careful not to break the plastic clips, they can be brittle with age. Slowly pull the fuel pipes away from the filter. A little bit of petrol might drip out, that's completely normal. Wipe it off immediately using a clean cloth. Now, locate the mounting bracket or clamp that holds the fuel filter in place. Most Swift models use a 10mm bolt or a metal clip. Use the appropriate spanner or socket to loosen and remove the bolt. Then slide the old filter out of its bracket. Before discarding it, check the direction arrow marked on the filter body. This shows the fuel flow direction. It's important to install the new one in the same direction. You can take a quick photo with your phone for reference. Once the old filter is out, clean the bracket area with a dry cloth to remove dust or fuel residue. Avoid spraying anything, just a wipe is enough. Now you're ready to install the new fuel filter in the next step. Now it's time to install the new fuel filter. Before fitting, make sure you've got the correct replacement part for the Maruti Suzuki Swift 2015 Petrol. The filter should match in size, connector type, and flow direction. Check the flow arrow printed or engraved on the filter body. This arrow indicates the direction of fuel flow. It must point towards the engine. Installing it backward will block the fuel supply and cause starting issues. Place the new fuel filter into the mounting bracket in the same position as the old one. Tighten the clamp securely, but don't over-tighten, it just needs to be snug and firm. Now, reconnect the fuel lines to the filter. Push each line firmly until you hear a click sound, which confirms the quick connect fitting is locked. Give both ends a gentle tug to make sure they're properly seated and won't come loose. If your model uses hose clamps, slide the clamps over the hoses, attach them to the filter ends, and tighten them using a screwdriver or plier. Make sure the hoses are fully seated with no bends or twists. Once everything is connected, use a clean dry cloth to wipe around the filter and connection points. This will help you spot any leak during the test run later. Double-check all connections one more time: inlet and outlet pipes, the direction arrow, and the bracket bolt. That's it, the new fuel filter is installed properly and ready for the final testing step. Reinstall the rear wheel and tighten the nuts properly. Now reconnect the battery, insert the fuel pump fuse, and turn the key to the on position for a few seconds to prime the fuel system. Do this twice, you'll hear the fuel pump sound. Then start the engine and check for any fuel leaks. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the fuel filter on your Maruti Suzuki Swift 2015 Petrol. This small maintenance job helps your engine run smoother and last longer. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Varun, signing off. See you in the next video. Stay safe, and happy wrenching.